Good morning, children. We are discussing the chapter Test of Divisibility, and in the last classes we studied the divisibility test in case of 2, 5, 10, 3 and 9 together, 4 and 6 together. Okay, today we are going to study the divisibility test in case of 8 and 25. We are going to study the divisibility test in case of 8 and 25. For checking divisibility test in case of 8, let us take a number. We can take a number 34,528. We need to check whether this number 34,528 is divisible by 8 or not. How can we check that? For that, no need to do the actual division of this whole. We can take the last 3 digits of this number. The last 3 digits, ones place, tens place and hundred place of the digit of the number 34,528. We can take the last 3 digits. And we can check that whether this number 528 is divisible by 8 or not. If the number 528 is divisible by 8, we can say that the whole number 34,528 is divisible by 8. If the last 3 digits of the number is divisible by 8, we can say that the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, let us check whether the number 528 is divisible by 8 or not. For dividing, we know that 52 is not in the multiplication table of 8, so we can't able to take the number. We can take the number 6. 8 into 6 is 48. 8 into 6 is 48. We can't able to take 7. 8 into 7 is 56. 56 is a greater number than 52. So we can't able to take the number 7. 8 into 7 is not possible. So we need to take the number 8 into 6. 8 into 6 we get the number 48. If we subtract, we get here 4. And here it becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. We can put this 8 down. 8 into 6, 48. We get a remainder 0. That is, we can say that the number 528 is completely divisible by 8. So, the number 34,528 is completely divisible by 8. Now we can check whether the number 51,707 is divisible by 8 or not. For that we need to check the last 3 digits. We can check 707 by 8. 8 into 8s are 64. If we subtract, we get 6 here and we can put the 7 down. 8 8s are 64. Here we get the remainder 3. We are getting a reminder here, so we can say that this number is not divisible by 8. 51,707 is not divisible by 8 because the number 707 is not divisible by 8. Okay. Next we are going to check the divisibility test in case of 25. Here we can take the number 41,050. Sorry, 4,150. 4,150. We can check whether this number is divisible by 25. We can check only the last 2 places, ones place and tens place of the number. We can check whether this number 50 is divisible by 25. We can say that the number 4150 is divisible by 25. We can check 50 divided by 25. 25 into 2 is 50. If we subtract, we get the remainder 0. So we can say that the number 4150 is divisible by 25. Next, we are going to check whether this number is divisible by 25 or not. For checking that, we need to check the last 2 digits, the ones place and tens place. 53 divided by 25. 25 into 2, is 50. If we subtract, we get the remainder 3. That is 53 is not divisible by 25. So we can say that the number 6,29,053 is not divisible by 25. That is, today we studied the divisibility test in case of 8 and 25. Whether a number is divisible by 8, we can say that if the last digits ones place, tens place, at hundred place of the number is divisible by 8, we can say that that number is divisible by 8. And if the number is that is divisible by 25, that is ones place and tens place is divisible by 25, we can say that the whole number is divisible by 25. I think this class is clear for you. If anyone have doubt, you can just ask. Okay, your today's activity is take exercise 4.2 of page number 122. Do the A part of question 1 and 2. A part, use divisibility test to find which of the following numbers are divisible by 8 is the first question, and which of the following are divisible by 25 is the second question. You need to do these two questions only. Okay, thank you children.